got myself up as high as I could on a pile of dirt so you can see the building of the foundation with all the wall panels, all the steel. You can see where the walls are, where the footings are. You can see that we still got a lot of the steel is being tied. You can kind of go down, you'll see what the steel's tied there. I zoomed in a little bit so you can see it. So they've got quite a ways to go. All these panels will be made into the foundation. So they're probably about a third done setting the panels. And then we will plumb the walls and square them off by using brackets on the outside and inside of the foundation to make sure that the wall doesn't move when we pour all this concrete. Keep moving on this one and keep going. Kind of update you when we get quite a bit more of the panels put together. But here you can also see how they tied this together. These all follow the structural drawings. We have to be very careful to make sure that we follow the structural drawings. The inspector will go through and look at structural drawings and compare it to what we have on site to make sure that we build that per the structural drawings. Good afternoon. I wanted to kind of show you a little bit about how we put these wall panels up, and then we'll go up top and I'll show you how big this foundation is. But right now we have some 8-foot panels that are installed. And those panels up there go up to our 12-foot height. So that'll be our total height of this wall. But I wanted to get an opening and a wall so you kind of see what we do. So right now we have our rebar, and as you can see that it's all been tied together. We're on 12-inch centers on this wall. This is our wall tie, which spaces our wall out 12 inches wide. And you can see the rebar. I'm going to try to put the camera in there so you can see how that goes down through the wall. So there's a panel on the inside, and these are aluminum panels. A panel on the inside, panel on the outside. We have the rebar that comes up from the footing, and then that goes all the way up to the top of the wall, and we tie all the steel together. I'll flip my camera around here in a little bit, and we'll go up top, and I'll kind of show you how big this foundation is. But that's my 12-foot wall, and that's my 8-foot wall. So we're putting some 4-foot panels on top of that and tying more steel together. You can see that we've also got these anchors, these wedges. They'll put those together with the wall. They'll tie the two walls together. They'll put this in, then they'll use this wedge to tie these panels tight. They'll also line this with concrete release so that when we get ready to pull these forms after the concrete's cured, the panels will come off very easily. So you can see all the steel that we end up putting in these walls. And you can see all the wall ties that hold the wall together.